We're here at MagnaFlow and we have something new to announce, and that happens to be our Neo Series exhaust system. Now, the Neo Series, like the name implies, is something that's new to MagnaFlow. Doesn't always apply to new vehicles. It ranges from a product that could be from years behind that we're seeing our tuner car market or what the enthusiast is bringing back to life. And we, of course, want to address all of those needs. Our Neo system is going to incorporate some of the different things that you may have seen from our premium line, such as our xMOD, and those are going to be our NDT technologies. So we're going to see no drone resonation chambers. We're going to see different types of equipment that we're going to be using to isolate what gives you the best possible sound and potentially even some new sounds. We're going to deviate from our traditional straight through sounds that you got through our traditional mufflers into something that's going to be more creative to address the needs of our consumer. And that's really what we're looking at today, is making the best possible product for the enthusiasts out there. In our traditional exhaust systems, we made just about anything for any car on the road. The Neo system is an extension of all of the things that we've proven out in our standard exhaust, but we've taken the little pieces from our xMOD system to bring you some of that premium value in a system that's not quite as adjustable, but definitely fits your budget.